Hi, my name's Hannah and I am going to show you today how to make this gorgeous make. It's these shoe clips. They're so pretty and I think they really liven up a pair of shoes. I've made them using the Sizzix French bow die and I think they look absolutely amazing and pretty designer and catwalky. For this project you're going to need your Sizzix Big Shot, your French bow Sizzix Die, some leatherette or leather, your preference what colour, a pair of shoe clips and a glue gun, and of course a pair of shoes. So if you can see this die, on this die we've got folded sections, so this means that we have to fold our fabric. Now I've used suede, so it's the same colour as my shoes, but obviously you can use any colour fabric you want and you can use leather as well. So what I'm doing is I'm folding my fabric over, so I've got it doubled up, and I'm going to lay that folded edge over the folded edge on the die there. So I needed to double that up, and then I'm going to get my cutting mats and I'm just going to sandwich the die in between the two. So I'm just going to roll that through the machine and hear that lovely crunching noise as it goes through. And then let's have a look and see what we've got. We've got our pattern cut out, and what we're going to do is I've folded it to the edge, but I'm just going to trim just to that very edge there. I'm going to trim those pieces off. Then you can see we have the big back bow section which will be folded over, and then we have the slightly smaller inner bow. There we go. And then we have the end of the bow, so the little pieces that hang down. And then finally we've got the centre of the bow there. So we're going to construct them, we're going to glue the pieces together, and to do this I'm going to use a hot glue gun. So we're going to start off with our largest piece, so I'm just going to add a little blob of glue in the middle and then fold over either side. And again, watch your fingers because it's hot, 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 hot. So we have our first piece there, and then we're going to get our second piece and we're going to just repeat that. And then what I'm going to do is put a blob of glue in the centre of the larger bow shape and stick the smaller one on top. And then I'm going to get that central piece that's been cut out and I'm going to glue that over and fold that over. So I'm going to put some glue in the middle and glue it to the front of those two bows. And then I'm just going to turn that round and put some glue on the back, and again watch your fingers, and there we go. So there's our lovely bow shape there. And then we're going to add those pieces of ribbon that sit underneath the bow. So these obviously stick to the back, so I'm just going to add some glue to the back of one of them and stick it on top of the centre, and do the same with the other one and stick it on top of the centre. And there we have our beautiful bow. I mean, it's so simple. How simple is that? It's crazy, isn't it? So the next step to this is just to finally add our shoe clip. So to add our shoe clip, it's just these little clips. They open and close, and they just attach them to the bottom of the shoe. Now we need to make sure it's the right way round. So if we see on our shoe here, the one that I've made earlier, if you open it, you can see it's got to attach downwards into the shoe, so you can attach it to the edge of the shoe. So with our fastening opening upwards, as we've just learnt, we just literally put glue on the back of that wider panel and just stick it on the top of the back of the centre of the bow, hold it down for a few seconds, and there we have our beautiful bow.